In this lecture, I am going to tell you about the last website from where you can download royalty-free stock images. The name of the website is PicJumbo. Here you can find lots of images. As I'm scrolling down, you can see some popular images are there. More business related images are there. So this is how this website looks. You can find plenty of images here. Let me explore the menu. There are different categories here: holiday, love, nature, people, roads, author, interviews. Let me show you how to download an image. Suppose I want this image, then I will click this one. The image is coming here. Now I can download this image, free download. Now it's saying that now you are downloading, thank you. As you can see, the image has started downloading. So this is how you can download free images from PicJumbo. I will see you in the next section. Bye.